Hello, my name is Dr. Ashley Legate. I'm a child psychologist working at the Child and Youth Mental Health Program at McMaster Children's Hospital. Today I'm looking to talk to caregivers about bullying. One of the things we know that happens when youth experience bullying, either online or at school, is that they often feel very scared. They might have worries that they won't have any friends. They might feel really hopeless about how to manage this situation and what to do, and they may even not want to go to school any longer. When this happens, caregivers often report that they themselves start to feel frustrated or afraid for their youth, and often feel hopeless that they don't have the skills to manage the problem and be able to keep their child safe. It's important for parents to be able to acknowledge these emotions before moving into problem solving and doing other things. So today I'll talk about 3 main steps for parents to follow when they are encountering a bullying concern at school or online. First is to become aware of their own emotions. So acknowledging that maybe you might feel frustration towards the peer who's bullying your child. You might even feel frustration towards that peer's parents or the school staff's administrative response to your child. Step 2 would be then to attend to your child's own emotions. So your child may be needing to feel extra safe at home. They may need time and space to be able to talk freely about what they're going through and their emotions related to that without any problem solving yet. And then the 3rd step would be to move into problem solving. This could look like looking up the policies and procedures in place for bullying at your child's school or school board. It could also look like providing your child some specific direction of which adults to go to and how to get to them when they're feeling unsafe, or providing your child some social skills to be able to respond in a healthy, effective way to feeling unsafe and experiencing the conflict. One thing that we know is not helpful for problem solving in these kinds of situations is going to the peer who's bullying directly as a caregiver, or going to that peer's parents. That often doesn't turn out the way parents want it to. Then we have the experience of the parent who maybe has a child who is also bullying other people. And those youth and those caregivers deserve support and help as well. And in some ways, the steps are very similar of what will be helpful. So step 1 would be for the parent or caregiver to acknowledge their own emotions in that situation. So parents may feel shame or embarrassment that their child is engaging in this behavior, or they may even feel frustrated or angry that other people are labeling their child as a bully, which is super frustrating. Step 2 would be then to attend to the youth's emotions, noticing that maybe they're feeling sad or angry, or that they're trying to find a way to get what they want or resolve the conflict, and just listening and without providing any problem solving at the beginning. And then step 3 is when we move into problem solving. And again, very helpful to engage with the school and see what their policies and procedures are and who the contact people are for bullying incidents at school and who's there to support your child. It might also involve teaching your child some ways to manage their intense emotions, or providing some social skills to be able to manage conflict. I want to highlight that these 3 skills alone probably may feel like they're not enough, and you might need to look up some community or school resources in addition to looking up some resources online. Looking up this information can really help you as a caregiver have confidence in being able to manage, which will translate to your youth having confidence as well. And so before we end today, I want you to remember the 3 steps. Notice your own emotion, attend to your youth's emotion, and then lastly, waiting a little bit of time to be able to problem solve with your youth in the school.